Good.
Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with my new co-instructor. Her name is Alexis Sanderson. She is 8 years old and she has spastic quadriplegic cerebral palsy. She is somewhere between a level 3 and level 4, which means she can walk with 2 hands held pretty well. She can walk in a walker with some assistance, and for longer distance, she needs to be in a wheelchair. Alexis is really strong in her stomach muscles, and we just wanted to show off how good she is. So Alexis, we're working for, you're going down already. We're working for 5 sit-ups, and we can put on the, hold on, the astronaut. You ready? 1, 2, 3, come on up, Alexis. Alexis, you gotta come up 5 times. Come on up. Ready? 1, 2, 3, come on up. Come on up, Alexis. 1, 2, 3. Nicely done. All the way up. That's 1. We gotta do 5. Come on down. Ready? All the way up. Come on up. Go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Come on up, Alexis. 2. So I'm just giving a little traction to that arm, but she's capable of it. We got to go to 5 for the astronaut. Ready? 1, 2, 3, sit on up. I see all that stuff over there, Alexis. There you go. 3, not yet, you have 2 more. Now when we started this off, come on up, Alexis, you have 2 more, 2 more. 4, she couldn't come up from all the way down flat, so I had to be behind her or stop her maybe like right here and have her come up, or right here, or help her at the beginning. But we've worked through all that. Now Alexis can come up all the way by herself. And up, number 5. Alexis, that was so good. Sweet pea, who is going to wear the astronaut? Am I? You are going to wear it? I am going to wear it? Okay, are you ready? Ugh. This is Alexis and Amy signing off. I hope you found these sit-ups very helpful and useful. And we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.